making affiliate marketing work for you through great advice. A good way to make some extra money these days is through affiliate marketing. If you're feeling like you want to get into affiliate marketing but aren't sure what to do, then this video is a good resource for you. Use what knowledge you can from this video and set short and long-term goals for yourself accordingly. If you do that, then you should have no problem with your results. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. It's a good idea to ask for a generous commission from an affiliate program. If they only offer you 5% to 10% on each sale, you may want to hold out for a better offer or look for another program. 20% to 50% is a more reasonable share of each sale. Remember, the information you learned in this video is only beneficial if you actually apply it. As stated in the beginning of the video, you want to set reasonable short and long-term goals for yourself, and if you need to change your strategies accordingly, by the end of this you should be satisfied with the outcome. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.